Look at this beautiful sky today. Well, we're out on Horseshoe Park. Look at them. Where are the ducks? Oh, they're in the water. Wow, low tide. Look at this.
Yeah, it's quite low.
That is low.
Yeah, you can see right over here. 5 feet down.
Every time I eat their food, I get gas. Like, the
Remember we were
sauce.
down there with Lexi in the summer? September we were down there. Took a picture of Lexi.
Yeah, you don't want to go down that section. There's a... Maybe I should go now and take a picture of that.
No, it's quite
Oh, that's not good. We don't want prayers. We just ate a beautiful dinner. Maybe he's going to be coming outside. Maybe. Won't have it for long. Was good.
Look at the
While it
ducks
lasted.
and they're all happy.
Oh, they're feeding them.
Seagulls are monsters. Look at the size
Nah,
of the
they're
seagull.
friends forever.
They
Brad.
steal things from the ducks, eh? The seagull. Can't get in fast enough. Stealing food from them. They're such aggressive things, eh?
Look at the size of that geese. I mean, not geese, seagull. Look at the size of these seagulls. They're like flying dogs. Flying dogs. Going all over. See? Look at you guys. You got your nice fruit, huh? Look at that. I don't have anything, no. I'm sorry. Next time I come, I'll bring food for you. Yeah. Don't you think you seagulls eat enough food around here? Look at ya. See, you get fish, you get human food. What more can you ask for, eh? You got it all. That's right. I don't have anything, though. I have no food. I'm sorry. Look, I got nothing for ya. I know. Oh, don't fly away. How come you flew away? Oh, you flew away. My friends. My friends flew away, Jeff. Wonder what made them fly away.
You should bring the gas station popcorn. You should get it for $2.
I will. Next time I'll bring some
Feed them
treats.
popcorn, but don't feed the seagulls.
Well, they all have to eat.
See how fast the temperature goes down?
Wow,
Just the
you know
sun
what?
lowering, eh? Isn't that amazing?
It is really.
Oh, plus the water's cold.
You know what? It's gorgeous out here today. Why, you cold?
No, I
Ah,
said
you
it's
get
amazing
used
how
to it.
cool it gets. Eh?
The hands freeze. I have to get my gloves on.
Well, once that sun goes down, look out.
Let's go down here. Why is the deck so low? Oh, that's interesting. Low tide, it goes lower.
Yeah, of course it is.
And it's hard to walk down and up. When it's high tide, it goes even.
Of course it's low tide.
That explains it. Ooh. Look, it's shallower too. Let's dive in. Where's the nice color water? Beautiful. Isn't that amazing? The sea is interesting. Seaweed. Jeff's last day. He's going back to Toronto. Jeff, look at
How
the...
black the rocks are.
Yeah, they are black. You know why? Because they're always underwater. Look, the boat's above water. It's on land now, that boat. Oh, whose boats they are? Do you think there's somebody's boats?
No.
Then whose are they? You can use them if you want. Let's go in one.
That's quite alright.
Let's go in a boat.
Just enjoying the fresh air.
Gorgeous out. Every day's a new day here. They did replace the flag, I think. Let's go. Wait. How's it go? Can't do it. There it is. See? It's blurry. Let's scroll out. It's not working. It's blurry for a reason. I forget how I did it. Trust nobody. This is not a good flag to use. Put one up that's not here.
Seagulls are bigger than the ducks.
Aren't they huge? They're massive. Let's see here. Oh, these cameras. Wow.
They're
Can you go
well fed
farther?
here.
Oh. Trying to get it right here. Ooh. I'm messing up. Oh no, that's too far in. Too close. Too close. Too close. Too far. Too far. She's not working today. I'll have to figure this out here. She's not running. It'd be funny. Family of birds. You just think about it. They can just swim when they want, eh?
Yep.
Walk around when they want. They just get food when they want. People feed them. They get the fish in the sea. Could you ask for a better life than this?
I don't know. They're standing in cold water all day long.
Yeah, but they don't feel it, though. Can you imagine? You get to swim, fly, walk, take food for free? Costs us a fortune to live.
Let's walk up over there.
And they get freebies in life. It's not fair. It ain't fair. We have to pay our way. We don't want to. We can't. We don't want to pay our way. Still not right. That's weird. Sometimes this camera just doesn't want to. I don't know if I think it needs to be set or something. The beautiful blue sky. It's nice out. I know they're huge,
The
eh?
size of the seagull.
They're bigger than Lexi.
The size of a dog.
Look at the size of the seagulls. Oh boy, you're too large. Why are you so big? Hey. I know. Wow.
Of course, they poop everywhere.
That's good. Let them poo on the earth. They deserve it. Where's the Canadian geese? They're not here today. No geese. What a gorgeous day. Wow. It's gorgeous. Hey, the tree's not here. Oh no, it's on the other side. The other side. The other side. The other side. Red sand. Hey, I'm doing some skippers. I'm skipping some rocks. Enough of Kim. Switch around. Wow, look at the sky, man. That's crazy. Wow. Whoops. Let's go down like this. Look at the sky, man. Look at this. Is that crazy or what? I can't believe the sky. Look at the sky. That's amazing. That's crazy, man. Hey, they got room charge. They do pick stuff up here. Huh. Looks like when I see something, they do something. Who am I? Who am I? Oh, no, it's still there. I was hopeful. I had some hopes there. It moved all over here. Oh, that's interesting. That windy day yesterday. It made it back. It made it. Wow. Look at the sky here. Look at the sky. That's weird. It makes me look 5. Where did Jeff go? What a gorgeous day. Chilly out though. It's definitely cold. Man, she's a calm ocean. Let's go take a view of it. Switch around her. Switcheroo. So dressing the dogs now. Hey! Hey! Look at you, beautiful. Oh, look at you!
Kim, when was the last time you saw one of these?
Oh, hello!
The English, you don't see them.
This is Loki.
Yeah,
Loki.
That's a great
Loki, gotta take a picture of you. Is it okay if I take a picture of Loki?
Yeah.
Oh, let me
Uh-oh.
see.
The
You're
Doberman's gonna be
pretty. No, he's a handsome
Big
man.
sitter.
Oh,
There you go.
boy.
Yeah,
Oh, yes, you got an itch. Look at you. Oh,
And
my.
they're so heavy, right?
he was 85 at his heaviest. He's probably upper 70s at this point.
And it's all meat, right? They're just solid.
Yeah.
Very, very solid.
Hi.
That's the thing, like they won't hurt you.
You know what I'm standing on? I'm
They
standing
might-
on.
They can actually walk right through you, right?
Oh yeah, if you got hit full speed, knock you right off.
Exactly.
I'll be clean mushies forever. Oh, boy. Yeah.
You just wipe it.
Oh, it's so nice. A lot of geese, eh? Geese poo.
Oh, I know.
Stuffed in a whole bunch of it.
I'm surprised because I haven't seen it
You
this
know
much.
what's funny? I never saw them last year.
No, I don't actually remember. I was like, what is this? And where are the geese? 'Cause
They're not
I-
here today,
they're
but they
not
were here a few days
Oh, they
back.
are?
Yeah, and they're all up here doing their duties,
Oh
obviously.
my gosh. They're just
Is this all? This is all geese shit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, at least it'll dissipate. Won't want us doing it.
No, that's true.
We need toilets to go on that. Yeah. What a beautiful. How old is he?
13 and
Oh, my. 13 years old.
13, maybe more
Look
now.
at you. You're still going strong, too.
Slowing
Yeah, this
down,
is,
but
we go here and,
otherwise-
That's very nice.
Yep.
Oh, it's the end. We gotta go. We gotta go. That's it. The sun's going down already. Here she goes.
Come on.
She's down. The end. For now.